Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another unboxing for you. So looks like we've got some original Coach tissue paper. So according to the tag, this is the tourist pouch, style number 6908. And I believe at some point this bag was also called a passport hipster. So you might see those two different names. So as the name suggests, this is a little bag that's used as a passport holder. It actually has a crossbody strap here that's just tucked inside. So you could wear this as a crossbody, obviously, and you would store your passport in this main compartment here. So here's where your passport would fit. So let's go over some of the item details now. So like I mentioned, this is the tourist pouch or passport hipster, style number 6908 in the color black. Here's the info on the tag. And the info is also on the box here. I'll show you real fast on this sticker. And it also comes with the inspection tag here, this little registration card, and this little booklet that has information about Coach as a brand. So has these little documents preserved over the years, and according to the creed, which is on the back of the bag, here as you can see, it was made in the United States in 1998. That's what this 8-digit here means, the second digit in the serial number. So yeah, so it's a 90s bag. So let's go over the bag itself now a little bit more. So like I mentioned, it has a crossbody strap here that is attached directly onto the bag here on the top part, and then it's also got a mini hang tag. It's a two-sided hang tag, and when you unzip this side pocket here, you can see it's got a little side pocket on the inside, which is nice, and it's got the pockets or the inside is lined with the blue tick lining, as you can see. So the side pocket is lined as well as the inside. I'll show you again. Inside is lined as well with the same lining. So here's a quick 360 of the bag again. Here's the front. Here's what the side looks like, and then here's the back one more time. And here's a close-up of the creed again, just so you can see it better. So obviously this bag would be a great option if you are going to travel internationally where you need a passport and you just want a nice simple way to carry your passport with you while you're traveling. And the nice thing is it's got that main passport compartment right here, but also it's got this side pocket like I mentioned before, so it's got a couple storage options. So it's nice that it's got some versatility to it. So anyway, that is the tourist pouch or passport hipster. And this bag is available now in our online store, and obviously as you can see, it's still in new condition, so it's just a great collector's piece. So if anybody wanted to check it out, the link to it in our online store will be posted below. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.